uh, functions part 3. Functions part 3, we will discuss about some definitions. So for yesterday class, functions, discuss about functions, order pairs, relations. So now discuss about image, pre-image and range. What is the image, pre-image? Listen carefully. If f of a to b is a function, f of a to b is a function, and if f of a equal to b, then b is called a image of a. B is called image of a under f. The element of a is called pre-image of b, under f. Once again, if f of a to b is a function, and if f of a equal to b, then b is called a, image of a under f. The element of a is called pre-image of b under f. Okay, right. So give an example. So a to b, 1 2 3, x y z, mapping 1 to x, 2 to y, 3 to z. Okay, f is equal to set of 1 comma x, 2 comma y, 3 comma z. So here image means image of 1 under f. Image of 1 under f equals to x. Okay, image of 2 under f, y. Image of 3 under f, z. So that is called a image. Image of 1 equals to x, that means f of 1 equals to x. Image of 2 under f of 2 equals to y. Image of 3 under f of 3 equals to z. It is called a images of 1 2 3. What is the pre-image? 1 is called pre-image of x under f inverse. 2 is called a pre-image of y. 3 is called a pre-image of z. Understood? Image of 1, f of 1 equals to x. Image of 2, f of 2 equals to y. Image of 3 under f of 3 equals to z. Okay, it is called a image and pre-image. Next definition is range. What is the range? If f of a to b is called a function, if the set of all images, f images of a is called a range of f. It is denoted by f of a. What is the meaning of range? Range means set of all images of domain elements. Set of all images of domain elements is called a range. Set of a, but f of a equals to set of f of a such that a belongs to a. Give an example. Here if a is equals to set of x y z and b is equal to set of 1 2 3. So mapping f a to b x y z domain elements codomain 1 2 3 1 2 3 image of x 2 image of y 1 image of z equals to 3. Okay, so set of all images of a, that is equal to under f of a is equal to set of image of x equals to 2, image of y equals to 1, image of z equals to 3 is called a range. It is called a range. It is called a range. Understood? Set of all images is called a range. Set of all images is called a range of f. Range of f. Next definition, types of function. One is injection or one function. Injection or one function. So what is the definition of injection or one function? Definition: if f of a to b, f of a to b be a injection, okay, if distinct elements have distinct images, distinct elements have distinct images is called a, injection or one function, function. Okay, f of a to b be a injection if distinct elements have distinct images. That means different elements have different images, is called a injection or one function, injection or one function. Okay, give an example. So a b 1 2 3 4 a b c d e. So f, relation between a and b, 1 to a, 2 to b, 3 to c, 4 to d. So f equals set of image of 1 under f a, 1 comma a, image of 2 comma b, image of 3 comma c, image of 4 comma d. So it is called a one function. Different elements have different images, then it is called one function. Another example, a b, relation between f 1 2 3 a b c, 1 2 to a, 3 to b, f equal to image of 1 a, image of 2 a, image of 3 b. Here image of 1 equals to a, okay, image of 2 equals to a. Different elements have same image, so it is not a injection. Okay, understood? F of a to b injection, if distinct elements have distinct images, is called a injection from A to B or 1 function or 1 function. Note, if f of A to B injection if and only if A1 comma A2 is belongs to A1 comma A2 belongs to A1 is not equals to A2 implies f of A1 is not equals to f of A2 and f of A1 equals to f of A2. This implies A1 equals to A2. Then f is called a injection. Once again, injection. If f of A to B be a injection, if distinct elements have distinct images is called a injection or 1 function. Note, f of A to B injection if and only if A1 comma A2 belongs to A1 not equal to A2 implies f of A1 not equals to f of A2 and f of A1 equals to f of A2 implies A1 equal to A2.